I found this beautiful canola field right behind me, and it's, I think, time to take a drone flight. You know, the Palouse is still a place where you can fly a drone with very few restrictions, other than really just using common sense. You know, you are flying over public property, or private property, sorry, and so you need to respect their boundaries. You need to respect not flying over ranch houses or other people. So as long as you do it responsibly, you can still fly a drone out here.